Hello guys and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This would be board number 2 from section 7 in chapter 9, and we will be discussing another example of a sequential sacrifice, which by definition is a very well thought out sacrifice that will lead to major gains. So it would also be a good example of the effort that has been played into creating such sacrifices. So without further ado, let us begin our analysis. Both colors would have all 6 major pieces: 2 horses, 2 chariots, 2 cannons apiece. Both would have 4 pawns, and both would have a full guard also. Now the situation is a little bit complicated. Black would have snuck in a chariot and a cannon attacking the central file. The horse will be attacking the chariot. The red chariot will be targeting the black cannon. Red will be also attacking the horse over here. Now it will be black's turn to move. According to the book, it will be a this was from a match played some time ago. They started with the 5-9 cannons and black countered with the screenhouse defense. So how did red open up black's defense? For +8 was the brilliant move that was made. This sacrifice would now red will offer his chariot as a sacrifice so that he could these 3 pieces over here could attack better. So what would happen if red accepted the sacrifice? Immediately a check. Now at this point in time, retreating the horse of course would not be viable. Red will play a4 +5, but in doing so, now there will be only 1 piece versus 3 black pieces over here. And black will play r8 4/7 for a winning position. Now there are 2 main variations: h3 -1, capture, block, otherwise this would be a double cannon checkmate. Black continues to play with r9 equals to 7, threatening to check and gain material. Red will move his king out. Black would now again attempt a checkmate, forcing red to protect. But after doing so, this horse will now jump to action and go for the tiger silhouette. Black's offensive will be overwhelming and red would have a hard time trying to hold on any much longer. Variation 2. F5 +6, red counter sacrifices a chariot. Black accepts, but once his horse was able to attack, he will be able to move here, and there's also a possibility of this move to gain material. As the game continues, black will command a huge advantage. So this will be our short example today, and then let's view it from the eyes of black. Okay, black opens up red's defense with a brilliant sacrifice. R1 equals to 6, checks, and now red would have black would have cut this side of the board away from all these pieces, and 3 pieces will be attacking. R8 equals 7 will lead to a winning position. Variation A, h3 -1, capture, block, otherwise a double cannon checkmate, threaten the cannon, move the king out, otherwise this will be a discovered check, and red will lose material. Again, another attempt at a checkmate, block, and the horse will jump into action, preparing to go for the tiger silhouette. Variation B, a5 +6, counter sacrifice. Red tries to trap the chariot, but the horse will now join in action, and black will command a huge advantage as time goes by because there will be many other things that he can do. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for the video. Thank you.